scientists discovered an intricate, hidden world beneath the surface of a seemingly ordinary pond. This microscopic realm is teeming with life, from iridescent dragonflies to cunning fish with specialized armor. The intricate dance of predator and prey is a spectacle, both mesmerizing and awe-inspiring. In this delicate ecosystem, every action has a ripple effect, impacting the entire food chain. But what drives this complex network of relationships, and how do its inhabitants adapt to their environment? One key factor is the pond's unique water chemistry, which allows for an astonishing array of plant life. Here, aquatic plants thrive, providing a haven for a diverse array of insects and invertebrates. One species, the water strider, has evolved to walk on water using its remarkable leg structure. Its legs are so specialized that they can detect even the slightest vibrations in the water's surface. As the water strider navigates its domain, it must contend with predators like the dragonfly nymph. These formidable hunters use their long, slender bodies to snatch unsuspecting prey from the water's depths. But the water strider has a secret defense mechanism. It can release a chemical signal to alert its fellow water striders. This social network of chemical cues allows the water striders to coordinate their behavior and evade predators. As we delve deeper into this hidden world, we begin to appreciate the intricate web of relationships within the pond's ecosystem. The pond's inhabitants are not just individual organisms. They are interconnected and interdependent, working together to sustain the entire system. And at the heart of this delicate balance lies the pond's unique water chemistry, a complex interplay of pH, temperature, and nutrient levels. But that's not the strangest part. This ecosystem is also home to a type of algae that can photosynthesize at an alarming rate. This algae can produce an astonishing amount of oxygen, supporting the entire food chain and sustaining the pond's ecosystem. As we continue to explore this hidden world, we begin to realize the significance of the pond's ecosystem. It's a microcosm of the entire planet, where every action has a ripple effect and every species plays a vital role. The pond's inhabitants are not just fascinating organisms, they are also crucial indicators of the planet's overall health. And what happens in this tiny ecosystem can have far-reaching implications for the environment as a whole. So, let's take a closer look at this remarkable world and uncover its secrets, from the water strider's remarkable leg structure to the algae's incredible photosynthetic abilities. By exploring this hidden realm, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of relationships within the pond's ecosystem. And in doing so, we can also learn valuable lessons about the importance of preserving and protecting our planet's delicate ecosystems. The pond's unique water chemistry is a testament to the incredible adaptability of its inhabitants and the resilience of its ecosystem. Here, we see the remarkable ability of species to evolve and adapt to their environment, often in response to changing conditions. But this adaptability is not without its costs. The pond's ecosystem is constantly facing challenges and threats, from pollution to climate change. And yet, despite these challenges, the pond's ecosystem remains a vibrant, thriving community of life. It's a true marvel of nature, where every species plays a vital role and every action has a ripple effect. And as we explore this hidden world, we begin to realize the significance of preserving and protecting our planet's delicate ecosystems. By supporting conservation efforts and reducing our impact on the environment, we can help safeguard the health and resilience of ecosystems like the ponds. So, let's continue to explore this hidden realm and uncover its secrets, from the water strider's remarkable leg structure to the algae's incredible photosynthetic abilities. By doing so, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of relationships within the pond's ecosystem and the importance of preserving and protecting our planet's delicate ecosystems. In the end, it's a story of resilience, adaptability, and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. As we conclude our journey into the hidden world of the pond, we're left with a newfound appreciation for the intricate web of relationships within its ecosystem. The pond's inhabitants may be small, but their impact is significant, and their story is one that we can all learn from. So, subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories like this, and let's continue to explore the wonders of our planet's ecosystems. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on this fascinating story. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories like this, and and join our journey of discovery.